Guys, if you're looking for a NugSmasher authorized dealer or NugSmasher products local to you, we have authorized dealers all over the United States and Canada and all over the world for that matter. So how you'd find a legitimate NugSmasher authorized dealer is go to NugSmasher.com, scan to the bottom of the first page of the website, and it says authorized dealers in the fine print down at the bottom. It's a link. You can click on that link, authorized dealers, and it tells you by state where the dealers are, gives you their website, their phone number, so on and so forth. Any questions, remember, the factory customer service is always available 7 days a week from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can always give the factory a call. You can hit us up on chat, NugSmasher.com, just chat with the representatives. They're always here to serve you. So, but if you are looking for a NugSmasher product that's local to you, all you got to do, like I said, is go to NugSmasher.com, go to the bottom of our website there, and it shows you a little link that says authorized dealers. Click on that, gives you a list of those authorized dealers by state, and you can find NugSmasher product local to you. And if your hydro shop doesn't have doesn't rep NugSmasher product, tell them to get with it. Have them give us a buzz. We'll look forward to servicing them and getting them some product right out. So got a whole web of great dealers out there that really share our philosophy of customer service and caring for our customer, putting the customer first. So great web of dealers out there. Check it out. Show our dealers some love. Thanks a bunch, guys. Until next time,